In this short video, we will demonstrate how easy it is to set up and generate a volume mesh with boundary layers in CF Mesh Plus. CF Mesh Plus has been successfully used to generate boundary layer meshes in various examples, including human blood vessels, ship propellers, wing profiles, or race cars, among others. Automatic generation of boundary layers is a very powerful feature in CF Mesh Plus. One can prescribe the boundary layers at general boundaries or at selected patches only, and can control their depth, thus being able to control for smooth transition between the boundary layers and inner domain cells. It is very easy and straightforward to set up for boundary layers in CF Mesh Plus. One only needs to specify the number of layers and key thickness parameters, like the thickness ratio, the total layer thickness, or the maximum thickness of the first layer, while the procedure will do everything else automatically and in a smart fashion. In our simple 3D example, we will set up the boundary layers at the wall patch. We will generate 30 layers with the thickness ratio of 1.1. And that is all that is required. Now we can mesh the geometry. A volume mesh with nicely expanding boundary layers has been obtained with minimum effort. As you could notice during the meshing process, the boundary layers are created in iterations towards the prescribed tolerance. The default values of tolerance and iteration criteria, as implemented in the software, will work well in most of the situations and provide for volume meshes with smooth transition between the boundary layers and inner domain cells. However, and should there be such a necessity, the user is also able to fine-tune those parameters herself. More detailed information can be found in the documentation that is available both online and locally within your CF Mesh Plus installation folder.